Darren here with Conditioned Air Solutions. It's still cold outside, but the days are finally getting longer. Spring is right around the corner, and the inside of your home is not the only thing that could benefit from a good spring cleaning. Cleaning the coils in your AC unit is one of the most effective ways to increase the efficiency and lifespan of your AC. Dirty condensing coils could decrease the efficiency of your unit by up to 30% because the dirt, grease, and mold, and the other stuff that builds up on the coils acts as an insulator. Many household items like aerosol sprays, detergents, tub and tile cleaners, and more can cause corrosion that can eat away at the metal coils. Here at Conditioned Air Solutions, we recommend routine preventative maintenance, including coil inspection. A Conditioned Air Solutions technician can clean the coils for you and may recommend a better filtration system, duct sealing, routine maintenance, and UV lights to improve performance. Twice yearly preventative maintenance service plans that include coil inspection and cleaning are a key component to a long-lasting AC unit. And that's at least one part of spring cleaning you won't have to do for yourself.